Well, Catholic school officials say they've been following science and the guidance of when it comes to decisions on how to keep COVID numbers low on campus. Tonight, Michael Gibson shows us why they plan to continue with the mandatory mask mandate that they've had in place since the school year began as a way to best protect their students and staff.
This is Andrea Hirachita's 8th grade math class at Bishop Garriga Middle Preparatory School.
We will go over it in just a bit. Please hold on. Show all your work.
The students are well behaved and busy with their schoolwork. You also notice that all these kids have their mask on, something that's been mandatory since the beginning of the school year.
We have a mask mandate from the first day of school, August the 11th, to present day. So we're still wearing 100%. Didn't have any resistance from any staff, parents, or students. So 100% of our students and staff are wearing masks.
Dr. Rosemary Henry is the superintendent of Catholic schools and says that the district saw a 3% infection rate for COVID since school began. CCISD schools began on August the 10th, and since that time, it's had 30 days of mandatory mask wearing. The district's infection rate as of September 26th, well, it was 5.7%. The superintendent of schools says she looked at a number of sources as a guide on whether or not to implement that mandatory mask mandate.
We looked at the regional data, we looked at the CDC, we looked at and consulted with various health and medical professionals to guide us, to direct us. We looked at the science.
Along with a mask mandate, we could see that in this 8th grade math class, there were numerous bottles of hand sanitizer and disinfectant spray.
We know that it's been effective. We've only had 3% of our student and faculty staff population in our Catholic schools be confirmed with COVID. We've been very effective in keeping students in the classroom setting in a learning environment.
The president of the high school and middle school is Father Peter Martinez. He believes the mask mandate was the answer to ensuring that these students were going to get the educational experience needed to excel.
The whole reason the mask mandate was put in place is so that we can be together, so that we can be at the school together in one community, one faith, to learn, to grow. And so the mask mandate was a means of being able to continue to grow in that community, maintain that structure, and help our students thrive.
The superintendent says she expects Catholic schools to continue with the mask mandate until science tells them otherwise. Michael Gibson, 3 News.
Well, let's go ahead and take a look now at the number of coronavirus cases found in CCISD. This week, 69 cases have been reported in students and 9 cases in faculty and staff, and that brings the total number of cases since the beginning of the school year to 2,099. Here in Nueces County, 62 new cases were reported today. There were also 3 COVID-19 related deaths noted in that report, 2 men and 1 woman. Their ages ranging from 40 to 60 years old. As of tonight, there are 162 people in the hospital battling the virus, and 64 of those patients are in the ICU. When 3 News